Just wanted to show one of the differences between me and Sarah. I'm on the left, Sarah's on the right. Adult, child, Bran Flakes, Captain Crunch.
So when I was pregnant, I was sick for the first trimester pretty bad. I went to Florida. I went on a trip at like 2 days after I found out I was pregnant. And then like half a week to a week into our trip, of a month trip, I got sick all the time. And I was just packing for our trip this weekend to Dallas, and I got out this bag because this is what we put all of our bathroom supplies in. Well, I just looked at it and I had the memory of feeling nauseous, and then I opened it and the smell came out, which we've used it multiple times since then, but the smell came out that's just in there, and it smells good technically because it smells like cleaning-ish type things, but oh my goodness, no, I couldn't stand it. So luckily it wears off after a while, but the first initial is horrible.
I was back in the car and I leaned up against the tailgate. Dang it. Oh gosh, ow. Okay, we just dropped off Casper. Well, Sarah's dropping him off in there right now. She took him in. It's a place called Dogs Beautiful up in Oklahoma City. It is one of the best places that we know of that's also very inexpensive. Sarah's family has been taking their pets here for a long time, and so anytime we have to go out of town for any length of time, we always take Cap here.
Because when we have a storm or something, they talk about how the windmill farms really, they mess up their whole system. They're so big. Up in the clouds. Something out there is intriguing. What is it? What's intriguing, Emmett? You're so tired.
Alright, as you guys just saw, we stopped off at the Texas Visitor Center to get a quick family picture. This is Emmett's first time outside the womb in Texas.
Oh yeah, I was like, what?
Yeah, because
in June, we went to Revive. Yeah.
So almost a year ago is the last time we were in Texas. Wow. It's been too long. Too long since we've done anything or been anywhere. But we've been pregnant, so it's harder.
I've been pregnant.
You've been. Alright, back on the road. We're at Ikea. Yeah. You excited?
Oh, no, you didn't get the selfie stick. Yeah, I'm so excited.
Yeah, no,
Emmett, are you excited?
Looks like you meant. Yeah. Emmett, what are your thoughts on Ikea? What are you thinking so far? You like it? Yeah? You getting a good amount of stuff here? We're actually here to get Emmett's crib. and we picked up a couple of little things for him, but we saw a really good deal online for one, so came here for it. Came all the way to Texas just for you. Emmett is super excited about the kitchen area.
You're just trying to get away. You like it? Gotta get my hot pads. I don't know which ones I want. I think it was these ones. Yeah. Chicken meatball. Did you enjoy your chicken meatball, Emmett? You didn't have one. Don't lie to the camera. You didn't have one.
Emmett, you're gonna try some lingonberries.
Lingonberries? What's that?
It's where your great grandpa is from. You not like it? Kind of sour. It's kind of like a cranberry.
Yeah. What do you think, Schnookums? Your first bite of any type of food? No, you're not a fan of it? No, you are.
It's like, this doesn't taste like milk.
What a warehouse. I was not expecting it to be this big. It's crazy.
It's like Sam's, but only furniture and bigger.
A lot bigger. Oh, nice job, babe. What's up? He said we had to do it. Are you having fun in it? We're turning. We're going on a trip to our favorite self-checkout. Self-checkout. I don't even think they have that here. It's a love bug. It's 2 bugs. Oh, it's gone. It's 2 bugs stuck together. It's a love bug. I saw them in Florida. I kind of thought they were only in Florida. So that's kind of weird. Anyways, little man is hungry. We just spent a long time at Ikea and he said, hello, what about me? Well, we survived Ikea and we found out what Ikea means, and it's just like the guy that founded it, his first 2 names, which are weird and weird.
His initials.
His initials. So then, and then the last 2, E and A, are of the town that he grew up in or was from.
The town and the village.
The town and village. So that's why it's Ikea. You should look up what the words are. Weird. I don't know. We are strapping Emmett in. I just nursed him, and we have all of our stuff. I'll do.
Cheaper than we thought.
Yeah, like a lot cheaper than I was like planning for, which is fine, which is good. And so we are going to go now to our friend's house that we're staying with, and we will catch you guys after a while.
Yeah.
Oh, you're getting a call from Burbank, California.
Hello? Hello?
It's from California, who knows?
I'm pretty sure that was a scam call.
Spam. So we survived Ikea, as everybody says. We loved it. It was as much as everybody hyped it up to be. These 2 are ridiculous.
He loves Casey Neistat's vlogs. They're just so like visually appealing to him, which I'm okay with. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Do what we need to do. That's good, but I need you to say, hey man, if you knock us out, we're still not serving your false God. Right. So this whole thing about making the journey, and then we talked about awakening, and I'm going to hit that again today as we move on, because as Wes talked about, if you're following the Counting of the Owner online, this week is week of service. And so we're kind of doing some plays. We're playing around with that counting on the Omer a little bit, the thing that's out there online, and we're kind of bouncing.
That is correct, sir.
And we have no hell to put anybody into. Because, truth be told, all God would have to do is just pull out the Rolodex of our lives, and if he wanted to, he could use it to torch all of us. Amen?
Amen.
He could, I'm just saying. So this whole awareness thing is grace for me, grace abounds in the earth, and it's grace that we get to honor this piece of this little piece of the Torah that we know it's a grace blessed thing that we get to say Torah at all. It's a grace blessed thing that we eat pork and shellfish and all of that. It's a blessed and grace thing to know that the Shabbat is today. It's grace.
Right.
It's goodness. It's a gift. And as I become more aware, awareness brings me to a place of gratitude. By the way, we did that profound exercise. Who do you know?
Right.
You can be in love with the idea, the trappings, the fringes, the traditions, all of that. Who do you? Come on!
It's you. It's you. It's you.
$1 an hour, and we just get to Carl will just take you over, and I'm like, okay. Some person that they never go to college and still do.
Oh yeah.
Boom. Gaboom. Emmett. Emmett.
Yeah.
Emmett. Hi, baby boy. Now that's dinner. Then Hasselbeck apples. Oh my god. Oh, I think they're in the oven.